Here they come.
Wait, why is there a police alarm?
Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I ended up taking off work because both boys have to get vaccinated today and I didn't want to have to do too much running back and forth. If I'm talking funny, it's because I bit my tongue last night and it kills. Like, it hurts so bad. There are some things happening in our community that I want to take advantage of. So we're going to do that, and then I'm going to do some other like Halloween themed things since I want to have the little one home for the day and I took off of work so I have time to dedicate to it. So I'm going to go ahead and start with making the pumpkin muffins, and then we're going to get out an activity. You may have seen that I hauled that activity like a few weeks ago in my Dollar Tree haul. So we're going to do that while Big Brother is in school, and then later on we're going to go and take advantage of the little Halloween festivity. So let's get into it.
Oh, this.
Okay, you move the orange out the way.
Let me the pizza. Let me pizza.
You made a pizza?
Let me pizza. With a hole. Stupid. There. Well, Mama, let me a pizza. About me. Halloween. How is the baby?
You want this shirt or kitty cat shirt? You need a kitty cat shirt?
Mm-hmm. Put this back.
Okay.
Take it. I'm gonna put this one. No.
You want to paint?
Mm-mm.
You don't want to paint?
No.
Why not?
A little bit of home.
Okay, we can paint at home. You ready to get dressed?
No, not yet.
So, can we show the camera what you're doing? Can you show them what you're doing?
Yeah.
Turn it around, let's see. So this is what we got from the Dollar Tree. Can I see the front of it? Turn it around, let me see the front. Whoa, so that's what we're doing. Here's a little paint, and we just need it. We're doing it at the coffee table because Xavier is in school over there. So we're just gonna do it right here. Finish?
No, I want my hand.
Okay, can you help him turn the water off?
Yeah.
Thank you. Looks like he has his nails painted yellow. So this is the pumpkin bread that I am going to be making the muffin version of this. So it shouldn't take me that long, and I'm going to go ahead and do it now so that at snack time later the boys have something seasonal to eat.
Wait.
feed it to you.
Okay.
Okay? You gonna eat your food?
Mm-hmm.
Okay. Hey guys, so just give you an update. The muffins came out of the oven and Xavier is now in math class and Ethan is resting. I got a text from my mom saying that my family is hosting a little Zoom call for my great aunt's birthday last minute, and that's like in 2 minutes. So I'm going to log on to that. Okay, so we are at the doctor's office and we're going to run in and get their flu shots.
Okay, it doesn't hurt. She told me it doesn't.
It doesn't hurt. Right, Ethan?
Mm-hmm.
Nope, doesn't hurt. All right.
Here at the dentist.
We're not at the dentist.
Dang it, at the doctor's. We're at the doctor's office, and me and Ethan are gonna get our flu shots.
So the boys got their flu shots and neither one of them cried. Wow. You guys did so good. You did a good job. Yes, strong. I am literally so proud of them. They're both complaining that their arms are sore, but that's to be expected. So yeah, I'm so proud of them.
Mommy.
Yeah?
I see how it hurts.
It hurts?
The doctor hit me.
The doctor hit you?
Yeah, no. He didn't. He did like this.
She did like that. She did what?
He did like this.
She poked you?
Yeah.
You know what she put something in your blood that will fight against the germs. It will beat the germs up.
Ouch.
Yeah, it'll beat up the germs. She put them in your blood so they can beat them up.
Hey, Mommy?
Yeah.
Is the soda very, very, very bad?
Is a what? Is what a very bad problem? It's not gonna be bad.
Is that the effect of the medicine?
Yeah. So we are standing waiting for the Halloween tractor to come. I wasn't sure if this was the right spot, but I see other cars waiting, so I guess we're in the right spot. Here they come! Because they have to stop the traffic for the tractor. You ready?
Yes.
You ready? Xavier, you ready?
Yep, we're ready.
Here comes the tractor, Ethan, with the candy. Are you ready?
Yeah.
You wave, look, you see the motorcycle? You wanna put your mask on? You wanna put your... You got candy? Okay. You got your candy? That's just enough. That is just enough.
It's an old Peter Parker, baby.
Hey guys, so it's 5:45. I just ate my dinner. The boys I'm going to feed a little bit later because if I feed them too early, they are going. What is my? Got food on my face. Why didn't y'all tell me? I'm gonna wait a little bit to feed the boys because if I feed them too early, then they're gonna be complaining that they're hungry before it's time for them to go to sleep. So I'm gonna wait a little bit and feed them, and then do the rest of our evening routine. I think I'm just gonna end the vlog here. I can't believe October is over already. That's crazy, but next is Christmas. Ah! But anyway, thank you guys so much for watching. If you enjoyed this vlog, go ahead and subscribe to my channel. We would love to have you. I will see you in the next one. Bye.